get to see how crappy the weather is.
Taking call signs, names, and location, and then we'll ask for your reports. If you have no data, simply indicate no data. So please join us. Stations wishing to check in to the Windham County Skywarn net, please call KB1BG5.
K1VAD Brad in Woodstock. Kilo 1 Lima Alpha November, Kyle and Wilson. Here it is. KC1 CVU Rusty and Chaplin on emergency power. Here it is. KC1 IIS Joe. Here is KB1ZOI Derek Tower. Here is KC1 IFO Ray North Franklin Commercial Power. This is November 1, Yankee Kilo Hotel, Mike, Plainfield, Commercial Power.
Okay, we'll hold it right there. Okay, that recognizes K1BAB, Brad in Woodstock, KB1 JDX, Finney and Danielson, K1LAN, Kyle in Moosup, KC1 CVU, Rusty in Chaplin, KC1 IIS, that's Joe in North Windham, and KB1 ZOY, Derek in Pomfret, KC1 IFO, Ray in North Franklin, and N1 KYH, Mike in Plainfield. Now, are there any corrections to your call signs, names, or locations? Your call sign, please.
This is KE1Y, Paul and Pomfret, on battery power, but we have power.
The net recognizes KE1LI, Paul. Good afternoon. Call up. top of the list, K1BAB, Brad in Woodstock. Good afternoon. Your severe weather data, please. Go ahead.
It's a whiteout condition, heavy snow, a gust of 22 miles an hour, temperature of 30 degrees, thermometer 29.51, and that's it for us. Back to Mexico.
All right, Brad, I'm going to need some fills. There was the repeater announcement walked over. I got a 10 mile an hour winds. Okay, I'm going to ask, just wait, I'm going to ask all the questions. 10 mile an hour, is that measured steady wind? Number one, you said heavy snow, a 21 mile an hour gust. I'm going to ask, do you have a time for that? Also, what is your current temperature and total snow accumulation? Go ahead.
Total snow accumulation was 12 inches. The measured gust was at 12:40 p.m. of 22 miles per hour. The constant wind is 10 miles per hour. 30 degree temperature and 29.51 for a barometer. Back to net control.
Okay, K1BAB, thanks. Okay, thanks for the barometer, but we're not looking for that right now. What we're looking for is temperature, total snow accumulation, and your wind measurements, and type of snow, and et cetera, et cetera. But thank you. Okay, next, KB1JDX Vinny, your weather data, please.
Good evening, Bertie. Good evening, Annette. Outside trying to clear off the driveway. We have currently 30 degrees here, moderate snow, and 13 inches measured. Back to control, KB1JDX.
Okay, this is KB1DGY, thank you. Next, K1LAN, Kyle. Good afternoon, your weather data, please.
KB1DGY, this is Kilo 1 Lima Alpha November, located in Moosup, Connecticut. Currently 13 inches of snowfall. We are at about 30 degrees, and the snowfall is moderate. I have no further data. Back to net control.
Okay, K1LAN, KB1DGY, that's fine, that's what we're looking for. Okay, KC1CBU, Rusty, good afternoon, your weather data, please.
KB1DGY, KC1CBU. I have measured 16.3 inches in Chaplin and a temperature of 31.3 degrees. Back to net control.
Okay, KC1CBU, KB1DGY, thank you. All right, KC1IIS, Joe, good afternoon, your weather data, please.
Good afternoon. I have 34 degrees, 14